Is your 2006-2008 Acura TSX key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you money. This video will guide you through the process step by step. No special tools or expertise are needed, and the entire process takes just a few minutes. The Acura TSX key fob for 2006 to 2008 models is a compact remote control that fits easily in your pocket. It uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery to power essential functions. This battery provides power for three main remote functions: locking and unlocking the doors, opening the trunk, and activating the panic alarm. The specific battery type is a CR2032, a 3-volt lithium coin cell that's widely available. It typically lasts 3 to 5 years with normal use and powers all the fob's wireless transmission. The key fob itself consists of two plastic halves held together by small clips. Inside, there's a compartment where the CR2032 battery sits, making replacement straightforward when needed. Always use the exact CR2032 battery type for proper compatibility and reliable operation. Using the wrong battery can cause issues with the fob's functions. For replacing the battery in your Acura TSX key fob, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated key fob opener tool. The opener tool is often included when you purchase new batteries. Optionally, use a soft towel to protect the fob casing from scratches during the opening process. Avoid using metal tools to prevent damage to the plastic casing. First, gently pry open the fob at the seam along the sides. Insert your flathead screwdriver or key fob opener tool and carefully apply pressure. Once open, remove the old battery, noting its polarity plus side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the two halves of the fob back together until they click securely. Avoid static electricity by grounding yourself before handling the battery. Ensure the battery is inserted with the correct polarity to prevent a short circuit or malfunction. If the fob doesn't work after the replacement, consult your Acura TSX owner's manual for reprogramming instructions, although it's rarely needed for battery changes. When replacing your key fob battery, avoid common mistakes that can damage the fob or prevent it from working. First, avoid using excessive force when opening the fob to prevent damaging the circuit board. Second, don't use incorrect battery types, such as CR2025, as they may cause compatibility issues. Third, be mindful of the battery polarity. Inserting it backward will prevent the fob from working and could damage it. Finally, always double-check that the fob is securely closed after the replacement. Replacing the key fob battery yourself costs approximately $3 for the battery, saving you $20 to $50 compared to professional replacement at a dealership. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries to reduce waste and environmental impact. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. While newer cars are adopting digital keys through smartphone apps, older models like the Acura TSX will continue to rely on traditional key fobs for the foreseeable future. However, DIY battery replacement for the TSX remains a cost-effective and simple maintenance task that most owners can perform themselves. In the future, expect more online tutorials enhanced with augmented reality overlays to provide real-time guidance, though for the TSX model, the battery replacement process will remain simple and manual.